In this video, I will explain first of all what is debit and what is credit in a general concept. Then we will study debit and credit effect on accounting equation. Third, we will discuss debit and credit on effect on asset, liabilities and owner equities account. Fourth, we will how we apply debit and credit on general entries. Now, when anybody says to you what is debit and what is credit, the first thing come in your mind, it is a T account. The left side of the T account is the debit side and the right side of the T account is the credit side. Mostly this question put in multiple choices. What is debit? What is credit? There are a lot of options given below. Then you only select the debit means left side of T account and it is the right side of the T account. Credit is the right side of the T account. So when debit come in your mind, you will say it is the left side and credit is the right side. Now we will apply this concept on accounting equation. Accounting equation is equal to assets equals liabilities plus owner equities. It is the left side of the accounting equation, it is the right side of the accounting equation. So it is debited, we simply write DR and we will say credit. So it means we will debit assets and credit liabilities and owner equities. If we will see accounting equation, asset is right in the left side. So we are going to debit it and it is right on the right side. Here we must understand the assets have the normal balance are the debit balances and liabilities and owner equity account are the normal balance are the credit balances. But if we do the accounting entries, then we will think in other way. It is a just general overview what is debit and what is credit. If we will do the accounting entries, then we will think in this way. Increase in asset is debited, and in case of decrease in asset is credit. Liabilities and owner equities when it increase, then we will credit when it decrease, then we will debit. How we can apply this concept in our accounting entries? Let's say owner invest in business $5,000 in cash. Then cash increases by $5,000. We will debit the $5,000 of the cash account and the capital account. In this entry, we will see owner invest $5,000 in business. $5,000 increase in cash, increase in asset is debited, and other account is capital, increase in capital is also part of equity account, it will credited. Let's say on about furniture for the business purpose. We will use office furniture, office equipment. Let's say about for $1,000 and $1,000. In this entry, we will about the office equipment, it will increase our asset. Office equipment are increasing, so we will debit the office equipment for amount 1,000. The cash is decreases, so we will credit the cash account because it is decreasing. Cash is our asset account. I hope you understand this concept. If you do not understand this concept, then you must be mentioned in comment below. If you will like this video, then thumb up. If you do not like this video, then thumb down. If you need any improvement in making the video, you must be mentioned. I will take care in next videos. Thank you so much.